Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. Creative PowerPoint presentation templates designed to help you present your best. Download the templates for free and make wow factor in your presentations. You can get all the tutorials from basic to intermediate to advanced level. Please like, share and subscribe my channel PowerPoint University to get more stunning PowerPoint tutorials every week. In this tutorial, I am not going to show you a regular PowerPoint slide. Instead, I am going to show you a PowerPoint slide which resembles the website design. So here it goes. When I click, it will show you this design and about us will come down, and then you can see the menus are there, about us, vision and details, and have added a turbine mill there, as well as about us, vision and all those things. And when I click, it will show me the second slide and the focus will go to vision. Likewise, you can add more slides for project, contacts and so on. So let's see how we can create this beautiful design in PowerPoint. Add a new slide. Right mouse click on the slide, go to format background and give it as a gradient fill. Here I have used some dark blue and a light purple color, which the color looks something like this. And I'm going to add a rectangle. Go to shape, select a rounded corner rectangle, make it a white fill and shape outline no outline, and give the height as 5.9 and width as 11.3 inches. And using the point, make it less curved and align center and align middle. Select the rectangle, press Ctrl D to duplicate it and give some different color, and again align it properly, align center and align middle. Now I'm going to edit the points for this one. Right mouse click, edit points, and you can see below there are 4 points. I'm just going to delete these 2 points. So right mouse click on that and just say delete point, and on this also right mouse click and delete point. And then I'm going to add 3-4 points. Right mouse click, say add point here, one more, add point, add one more, maybe we require to add one more later, and then just make it all smooth point here. This is also make it a smooth point, and this is also make a smooth point, and just bring this up so you can see the shape of a wave is coming there. And you can adjust with this, and this one you just make it up and make sure that it should be aligned properly with the white rectangle. And we need to add one more here. Right mouse click and just say add point and bring this to smooth, and then bring it down and bring this up something like this. And this one also smooth point, but no, we don't need this smooth point, it's going above the screen, so I'll just undo that one. And I'm going to add one more point there and just make it something like this. And you can further adjust it, but I believe this is okay now. We have got this design. Now for this I'm going to give a gradient fill. Make sure that it is aligned properly. give this as a gradient fill, and I'm going to give some different colors. I'm going to use 3 stops, make it linear, and I'm going to use somewhat light blue, then something pink and some purple color, and change the direction. I think this is okay, or if you want you can change it further. And select this one using the arrow key, take it above the slide, reduce the size, and make sure that this should not be visible in the slide. You have to take it completely out of the slide coverage area. Keep it there. And then I'm going to give animation. Enable the animation pane, go to add animation, scroll down and select the lines, and select this point and bring it. You have to align it properly to the top, so should be something like this. If it is not aligned properly, you can do it later. The timings, let it be medium. That's okay for the animation, and you can zoom it. And align it properly, otherwise it looks awkward then. Yeah, this is perfect. And go to shapes, and I'm just going to add a text here. In this case I'm just going to type about us. And use any nice fonts and give the same purple color. For this also I'm going to give the animation, the same animation I'm going to give, which is scroll down and lines. It should come somewhere here, and this one you make it with previous. And if you see here, with the animation about us is coming down. Then I'm going to insert some icons there, which I have downloaded from the website called www.nonproject.com, and right mouse click, go to the picture properties and increase the brightness so that it becomes a white color, and place it here. White doesn't look good on the white, and give the animation appear there and place it here. For the meantime, I'm just going to change the rectangle color to some light gray color so that our object looks clear on the screen, otherwise it will be not visible then. This is okay. And then you can add the detailed description about the company or about the thing which you're going to add it here. So I'm going to add some Latin text here, and this also I'm going to make it a white color, and animation, make it appear, and this is also just say with previous. Goes down, and then the text and the icon comes there. And lastly, I'm just going to add the menus there. For that, go to insert, shapes, and select the rounded corner rectangle and make it fully curved. And type about us. Make it no outline, and the shape fill, make it white. Bring it here, and the font color also you make it purple color. or you can give some pink. And then you can add other menus like vision, clients, project, contact, or whatever you like to have it here. Give some gray color to it. So this is vision, and I'm going to add one more where say contact. You can make a full website design from this PowerPoint template. Group it, and for this also make it appear, and this also with previous. And let's play. When I click, it will show me about us, vision, contact, and the details and the icons. And I'm going to make this as a white now. So let's play it. Click, about us will go down, then this is perfect. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.